Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by quitting Excel and any Office helpers. This prevents locked files and incomplete removals. Once done, open Activity Monitor and force quit any process named Microsoft or Excel so the app can be deleted cleanly. Make sure you sign out of your Microsoft account in Excel to avoid license conflicts later, and copy custom templates or add-ins from ~library/application support/Microsoft just in case you want to restore them. Next, drag Microsoft Excel from the Applications folder to the trash to remove the main app bundle. Then, in Finder use go to Folder and remove related folders, ~library/containers/com, Microsoft, Excel, ~library/application support/Microsoft, and any com, Microsoft, Office helpers. These hold settings and cache. Also delete preference files in ~library/preferences that start with com, Microsoft, and saved state folders. Finally, empty the trash and restart your Mac to clear locked files and finalize the removal. Restarting also ends background services that could restore items. If you want to fully detach licensing, open Keychain Access and delete Microsoft-related credentials and check /library/privileged helper tools for helper daemons. If Excel unexpectedly reappears, make sure no launch agents or management profiles reinstall it. Go to ~library/launch agents and /library/launch daemons and remove Microsoft entries, then restart again. That resolves most stubborn reinstall behaviors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.